and they failed miserably on informing us.
A small town mayor demanding more information about an outbreak involving the P.1 variant, which could ravage his central Alberta community of 8,000. A scathing Facebook post says officials are failing to provide local information after first reading about an outbreak at PTW Energy Services in the news.
To send out a tweet on a Saturday without any information, I find very irresponsible. You wouldn't do that in any other emergency. If there was a wildfire or if there was a flood, you wouldn't say, hey, there's a forest fire, but we're not going to tell you where, and hopefully it's not your house.
On Monday, PTW Energy Services confirmed an outbreak at its operations in Edson, Drayton Valley, and Hinton. Of 26 cases tied to workers and their families, 3 are of the P.1 variant first seen in Brazil. But the province expects to see more after tests are done. Earlier this year, regional municipality of Wood Buffalo Mayor Don Scott complained Alberta Health Services wasn't providing enough information on workplace outbreaks. The municipality includes Fort McMurray and several oil sands operations and work camps.
The decision to disclose in general was, again, out of the public interest to be transparent about the fact that P1 was here. But we do not routinely disclose specific locations unless there is general public risk, which in this case we did not deem there to be in those specific locations because there was specific follow-up with all of those who had been in close contact with individuals who were infectious.
Dr. Dina Hinshaw says the outbreak is tied to a traveler returning from another province. Calgary-based PTW says it's working with health and occupational safety officials. Mayor Zahara says if residents had known variants were spreading, they may have changed their Easter long weekend plans.
We're a small community. We can do things that can really change the trajectory of what happens, but we can't do that without the information.
In Calgary, Crystal Laderas, City News.